Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is like a 100 video special because we go on my YouTube channel. We search up, obviously go to YouTube. And let's go to here. Then let's go to XX Demon and XX. What do you see here? 100 videos. Do you not know how sad that is? Do you not know how sad that is? Just kidding, that's sad. It's awesome. Wait, literally? Oh, these are all my videos. Yeah, I'm deleting this, cause yeah. I just don't even talk about FNAF. I don't like FNAF anymore. Oh my god, no, I want to literally react to this. So basically I'm going to be reacting to a bunch of videos. Yeah, that's ear rape. Yeah, 1 second, let's turn that down, okay, let's do it again. There's no talking in this video. It's just the music. I mean, it's nothing big. Oh my god, like 6 frames per second. God. Why? Sonic Bro. Here. I used to type so slow. Look at this. Oh wait, I didn't see that again. Yeah, literally, I'm gonna type in my dude. At least type faster. No, this is me. This is me, like this dude, like right here, like this dude. This is me right now. Hey, guy, what, come, to this, yeah. So it's just weird. I'm sorry, I hate when I do this. Let's just full screen it. Let's react to this. It's only 3 minutes long. I mean, not that long. But we're gonna be reacting to some of the videos. By the way, this is on my really old account. I'll show the account at the end of the video. This is the account I used to play when I first started playing Roblox. I was poor in this game. I was legitimately poor. Now since I play, where you go? Yeah, see. Yeah, just why? Why me, dude? Yeah, sorry, I'll stop talking. Well, you're gonna get really my reaction, like my face reaction, but like you're gonna react. What? Oh, wait. Oh. Is that just me or like? Your pants? Oh, it's the radio. I was like, what? What about my pants? Oh. Well, if I literally, if I would have realized. Juice. Yeah, you're glad you're not hearing this. Like, literally, this is like, I have to show you, like, what I recorded this with. Like, I recorded with this really small laptop. Like, it was really small. Like, now I could even use it. Like, I can use it. I just have to, like, charge it. Well, get a brand new charger. Yeah, I broke it. Go check out T-Man. Oh! And then I end the video there. I'm going to upload vid. Oh my god, look at this guy. Okay, you know what? Pause the video. Literally, I'm literally gonna put my old account. look at this. No claps. T-Man58890. This is legitimately my old account. I literally don't even have one limited edition thing on here. Okay, let's go to my inventory. Yeah. Wait a second. Oh, I was gonna say, because if I had Mr. Alien. No, I was just saying, because I never had Mr. Alien. Look, I only legit have that hair. Face, you know what? Go to face. Yeah, see? Animation, audio, avatar animations. So, when I was on this account, I would like, yeah, so like, this is like, the Tycoons, and like, there's a level 10 logo from, whatchamacallit? Murder Mystery. And there's level 5 from, Assassin. That was like the old update. Like the really old version, I mean like old, like we're talking old. But if I do find out that password, I will be giving the account away. Because I already have this account. Like, this is show proof that these are, like, I have 2 limited edition things. When I say this, no joke, I legit have 2 limited edition things. Okay, I'll go back with the video. Alright, let's just go to here. Inventory. Yeah. Okay, look at this. Boom, bam, bop. Sorry, I'm not funny. Yeah, so compare about this amount of money to the stuff I had that account. I mean, like this, like the account had like, you know what? I'm just gonna pause it because like I need more time to like do the video. So yeah, I'll see you there. Poor, so poor. I just realized this is literally the end of the video. So we're going with iRoblox. This is like the most highest view, 409 views. I mean, this is like one of the most popular ones ever. Oh, I forgot this for the sake core. I mean, like I wasn't that rich back then. Hi guys, yeah, this is one of my old friends. I bet you she has Robux now, but I highly doubt that. Then she's gonna ask, what's your account? I'm gonna say, T-Man, or like, I changed my name so many times while I have this account. Okay, you guys should all know what this is. Like, you guys literally have watched this video probably 409 times. Please spell correct. Ha ha ha, laughing my butt off. I'll be watching it. Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna watch another video. Like, I can't stand this. I'm already dying very slowly in my soul. Okay. No. Let's go back to like the old days. So, yeah, guys, go back to the old days. I mean, like, man. Here you go, Roblox app. Here, let's go. Zero. Oh, this is like an apology video. Zero. I'm sorry. 10 months ago, February 28th, 2017. You know what? How to end bad Roblox videos. How to make. You know what? I'm sending Roblox a message. Be right back, guys. Welcome to Roblox, the imagination platform. Make friends, explore, play games. Yeah, no. Welcome to Roblox, a very bad game that people make really bad intros out of and just end my life. Yep, that's better. I only just realized that, like, only like 5 minutes for this video, but it's only like 1 minute, so like we're gonna watch a few more videos. Okay, it's go. I spelled like Letty, you know. Let's see, that's how I typed. Like, back then, I used to be, like, the weirdest looking dude. But, like, I still own those clothes to this day. Just, I don't want them. You think I'm rich. I went too fast. It kept going. That's the guess. I knew it. Okay, so we're gonna watch one more video. Let me see how much minutes I got. Okay, we'll watch like one more video. Like, no, I'll have to end the video. Oh, don't worry. This, like, I know it has voice. So basically, I'm gonna make my quote unquote make my avatar. Oh my god. Literally, prison life. Oh my god. Look at this. Dude, look at this. Oh, Matic. Ugh! Add me life. I'm recording with Queen Cat Omatic. Yeah, that's just I record it every single day because I'm too lazy to get a proper screen recorder. But I mean, it'll be good for now. Here, let's just get to the part where I play this. I think it was a VIP back then. Wait, let's see here. I think it was a VIP. I know like there's no audio. But I do think I was a VIP. I literally do think I... Look how old this update is. Pets. Yeah, I don't think I'm a VIP at this point. No, I'm not. I shouldn't be because I literally just became a VIP recently. Like not recent, like a week ago, but like a couple months ago. Like 2, 3, 4, 5 months ago. And this was May 10th. Yeah. Yeah. So it was way ahead. It was at least when Jailbreak the release came out, like the release thing. Wait, yeah, the release. I mean, Beast to Campers. I remember this. Yeah, I'm Prestige 2, 23. Yo, me wreck. Oh my god. Yeah, you're a wreck indeed. Oh my god, why am I like... Can you guys just like comment down below why? Like, comment down below. Like, I don't even think we have enough time. We only got like 2 minutes left. Literally, I only do like one match. Look, I don't even do a match. Okay, I trade. Player has accepted. Decline. It's like, I still noob. I'm still noob to this day. Literally, still noob. Like, don't even ask why. I'm sorry, like, it's zoomed out, but I need to check the timer. And time's up. That's basically the video. Look, literally, that's basically the video. Young. Okay, yeah, that's legit the video. I quietly say, yeah, wow, yeah, and just end the video. Well, I guess that is the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is gonna be my 101 video. Oh yeah, that ad. But If you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!